Top 10 Hardware Store in Sacramento. 1. IRONMILL Fasteners and Hardware, 5-6 reviews, Main Avenue Suite 3. 2. D&S Fasteners Inc, 4.919 reviews, Jackson Road. 3. Supply Industrial Hardware, 4.8 212 reviews, Harbor Boulevard. 4. Emigh Ace Hardware, 4.8 139 reviews, Madison Avenue. 5. Emigh Ace Hardware, 4.7 1720 reviews, El Camino Avenue. 6. Greenhaven Hardware Inc, 4.6 383 reviews, Florin Rd. 7. Fasteners Inc Tool Outlet, 4.6 177 reviews, Power & Road. 8. Capital Ace Hardware, 4.5 818 reviews, I Street. 9. New Home Building Supply, 4.5 217 reviews, Franklin Boulevard. 10. East Sac Ace Hardware, 4.5 114 reviews, Folsom Boulevard.